Hello everybody, this is Valencia and welcome to my channel Balloons and Business, where I show you the business of balloon and event decor. So I'm going to show you how I made this organic balloon column, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial starting with how I made the balloon column stand. So if you want to see how I made this, just stay tuned. So I'm going to start by cutting some plywood into 15 by 16 inch squares, and the plywood is 1/2 inch thick. Then I'm going to take a 1 inch floor flange and some screws number 8 1/2 inch, and I'm going to drill that floor flange into the plywood base. Then I'm going to take a 1 inch PVC male adapter, and I'm going to put it onto a 1 inch PVC pipe that I cut to 5 feet. The pipes originally come in 10 feet increments, so I cut it in half to 5 feet. Then I'm going to take some duct tape and I'm going to attach that adapter to the PVC pipe to make sure it's nice and secure. By the way, I got all of my materials from Home Depot. Now I'm going to twist that adapter into the floor flange until I cannot twist any longer. And that's when I know it's nice and secure. And that is how I make my balloon column stand. So I'm going to be using Sempertex Caribbean Blue in 11 inch and 5 inch, as well as the 236 inch balloons. And then I'm going to be using Tuftex Black in 5 inch, and I have some 12 inch, and I believe these might be 24 inch balloons. Okay, so that's what I'm using. So I'm going to start off blowing up the 11 inch Caribbean Blue and the 12 inch Black, round them out and tie them together into dupes. Then I'm going to blow up an 11 inch Caribbean Blue with the 24 inch Black, and I'm going to under inflate that 24 inch to about 18 inches, and I'm going to tie those together in a dupe. Now I'm going to take one of the dupes with the 18 inch Black and then one of the dupes with the 12 inch Black, and I'm going to twist them together to make a quad. Then I'm going to slide that quad onto the balloon column stand, and then I'm going to twist 2 of the balloons to secure that quad onto the stand. Then I'm going to take another quad and I'm going to slide that onto the stand with the 18 inch balloon in the opposite direction as the quad below it. Then I'm going to take one of the necks from the top quad and then one of the necks from the bottom quad, and I'm going to tie those necks together. And that's how I'm going to be attaching the quads onto the pole from here on out. I am not going to twist those balloons onto the pole. And the reason for that is because when you twist the balloons onto the pole, it leaves a lot of gaps. And if you try to push those quads down to, close the gaps up, it can pop the balloons because of the tension, because the balloons are so twisted already on that pole. So I just slide the quads on nice and easy, and then just tie the necks of one balloon on the top quad and the balloon on the quad directly below it. Now I am putting a balloon on the very top of that PVC pipe to cover up any sharp edges as I am completing the balloon column. Now I'm going to be taking my 5 inch decorators and I'm going to be tying them into dupes and attaching them with a 260 balloon. As I'm noticing that the Caribbean Blue is more in the center and the Black balloons are more on the perimeter. So I'm using the 5 inch decorators to redistribute the color. I'm putting those 5 inch Caribbean Blues closer to the perimeter and the 5 inch Black balloons closer to the center. And I'm doing that on the opposite side as well. Now I'm going to be double tying a 260 balloon around that 36 inch Caribbean Blue balloon. And then I'm going to tie those two ends of the 260 together, and that's how I'm going to attach that 36-inch topper. So now I'm adding a few dupes to fill in the balloon column and to cover up the base of the stand. So here's the finished product, an organic balloon column from beginning to end. In total, I used about 85 balloons, including the 11, 12, and 18-inch balloons, as well as the 5-inch decorators and the dupes that I added on there, and the 36-inch topper. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead on and like it, and please subscribe, and you'll get notifications on future videos on balloon and event decor. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.